Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video. So you can understand it in a better way friends, okay? And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, then you can understand in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 24 video, 86 video, there is quite possibility that you can get confused friends, okay? So before I proceed further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to the comments, friends. Okay. And you can also connect me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906. Okay, friends. So I will start with today's video. In our last video, I have covered the topic called do only negative soul go into the astral form. So this was our last topic which I covered, and in this video I'm going to cover the topic called do soul from higher realm want to remain in the astral form. So this is going to be the video which I'm going to cover in today's video, friends. Okay, and friends, this video number is 124th video. Okay, and the topic is do soul from the higher realm want to remain in astral form. So this is the topic. So I will start, friends. Okay. No soul who are from a higher realm do not usually want to remain in the astral form. They want to become a spirit being as soon as possible. A person loved one in the spirit world are aware that a person is going to die on earth. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling a very interesting thing to us. Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri that no spirit soul want to be in astral form for a longer period of time because each and the loved ones of the spirit soul who are in the spirit world are aware that this soul is going to die, this soul is going to leave the body. So these spirit soul are prepared for that person's arrival. So this all spirit soul are already ready and prepared to welcome the new soul who is going to come in the spirit world after a long time by staying in the human world, in the human form. Basically we souls are in a human form, right? So after staying a longer period in a human form, we are again going to go to the spirit world. So there our loved ones are welcoming to welcome us in the spirit world, friends. Some of the loved ones leave the spirit world and come down to earth and fetch human being who is about to die. So this is a very interesting point, friends. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri that our some of the loved ones who are in the spirit world also come down to fetch us to come to the spirit world. This will not happen if the death is sudden, such in case of accident, murder, which are never part of God's plan. So our loved ones will not come us to welcome, right? Because they are doesn't know our due date, right? So if our accident happens sudden, like murder, if somebody kills us, or accident happened to us, so that is not a God's plan. So this accident and unwilling murders our loved one doesn't know. So our if our body lives in such a condition that there is quite less possibility that our loved ones will come us to welcome. This spirit being then accompany the person to the realm to which he or she belong. So then this spirit being accompanies to which realm he or she belongs, right? From which realm we belong. So some high good soul come us and receive us to our own realm. The soul naturally goes to the realm he belongs to. The subconscious mind of the person who has died will instruct his own soul to travel to a realm worthy of his action on earth. So, whatever action we have taken on the earth, so in regards to that, our subconscious mind will guide the soul to go in that realm. So, if we have taken a good action in our life, then we are definitely going to go in the higher realm. And if we unfortunately we have taken a bad decision in our life, then there is quite possibility that we are going to go in the lower realm. It is up to the soul to listen. Force cannot be used. So it is only up to a soul to listen. Force cannot be used. If the soul doesn't want to go, he will not go or she will not go. No subconscious mind cannot force a soul to go in a particular realm. Only if the soul listen and goes to the proper realm does it become a spirit being again. So only if a soul listens to the subconscious mind and go in his or her realm, then only the soul become a spirit being again, right? Otherwise, up to the moment the soul is not going into the being, he that soul is a astral being. If the soul refuses to go to the spirit world, it remains in the astral form, because even when you die, God allows you to exercise free will. So here, if a person is dead and he doesn't want to go to the spirit world, so there also his decision works, because there also the law of free will works. God have given the law of free will. So if you die, if you do not go want to go to your realm, if you want to be in this realm, you can be in astral form. So there also God have given us option, right? So it is completely the free will of a soul, who want to go in the earth, or who doesn't want to go in the earth, friends. Okay, who doesn't want to go in the spirit world. So there also a free will, exercise of free will applies. On earth, astral soul who are visible are referred as ghost. So here, those astral soul are referred on the earth, so they people call them as a ghost, that they this soul are ghost, they are referred as ghost. Astral soul are lost soul who have rejected the advice of the subconscious mind and have refused to become spirit being. So basically, astral soul are those who are lost soul, those who have rejected the advice of the subconscious mind and refuse to become a spirit being again. By doing this, they build negative karma. So this is also negative karma. By doing this, this astral soul builds a very huge negative karma. You cannot see astral soul, but they can see you. This is interesting. So we cannot see astral soul, but astral soul can see us. However, this astral soul cannot see the spirit world. Yeah, this is also interesting, but astral soul cannot see the spirit world. Astral soul can see us, we cannot see the astral soul. And astral soul cannot see the spirit world. Once they have rejected the advice of the subconscious mind and have decided not to go to the spirit world, it cannot be made visible to them. So if a soul refuses the guidance of the subconscious mind and refuses to go to the spirit world completely becomes vanished for that soul, astral soul, and they cannot see the spirit world because they have refused to go to the spirit world. This is the law. When they make the decision to go to the spirit world, it will be revealed to them. This is also a test. So this is also a law, God's law. When a soul decides to again go to the spirit world, at that point of time only spirit world will be revealed to those soul. So this is also God's law. So friends, our today's video came to an end. In our today's video, I've covered the topic called "Does soul from higher realm want to remain in the astral form?" This topic I covered, and in our next video, I'm going to cover the topic called "When bad soul die, spirit soul from the lower realm come to fetch the ones who have died. What is the purpose of this?" So this is what I'm going to cover in the next video. So friends, today's video came to an end, friends. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot cover this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you can understand in a better way. Apart from seeing the video 18, 24, 86, 93rd, so there is quite possibility that you can get confused, friends. Okay. So and if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comment and give answer to your comments. And do for subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you'll get the notification. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. Okay, so I will spell it for you, friends. ABHIMANYUBHATTTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. So friends, this come to ends of today's video, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, and always do good karma in your life, and let us help others. Let us help other souls to spiritually uplift, and one day Definitely, we all, me and my all viewers are going to come in the seventh relay, at least more than stage five, and you will tell yes. We used to see your video, and today we are in the spirit world. Okay, so this brings to end of today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, friends. Okay, take care.